Okay, so let us look at another example of volume. Find the volume of region bounded by paraboloid x square plus y square is equal to 2z. So this is your paraboloid. This is your paraboloid. Okay, fine. And the cylinder x square plus y square is equal to 4. So what do you mean by cylinder? This is the base circle in xy. This is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate, and this is your z coordinate. So in x, y, the base circle which is there, that is x square plus y square is equal to 4. So let us see now how do we solve it. Again here there are cylindrical polar coordinates which you can use, but it will be easier to solve it first for z, taking the limits of z, and then see what you get in 2 dimension. So your basic formula of volume, which is triple integration dx dy dz. Check the integration of z first. So integration of dz, and let me do over r later on. Dy dx, whatever is the answer of this. What are the limits of z? In this equation there is no z, so z is equal to 0 to z is equal to this plane, that is section of that circle which is there. It will become z is equal to x square plus y square by 2. So the limits of z are obtained immediately because there was no z term here, so z is equal to 0, and here the z term is x square plus y square by 2. So this integration can be done easily now, and therefore your volume formula reduces to v is equal to integration over r, dz integration is z, which is from 0 to x square plus y square by 2 dy dx. So substituting the limits, you will get the value to be equal to double integration over r x square plus y square divided by 2 dy and then dx. Now look at the integration left. It is a double integration with x square plus y square term. That means try to recollect, we have to use polar coordinate because we see the term of the type x square plus y square. So what is that polar coordinate curve? That is the base curve which we had. It was that circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So it's a circle with r square is equal to 4 because using the polar coordinate x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. This will become double integration r square by 2 dx dy will be replaced by r dr d theta, and limits of r will become 0 to 2 because r square is 4, so r will become 0 to 2, and it is entire circle, so limits of theta will become 0 to 2 pi. So converting this to polar coordinate become very simple to solve, and now you actually do the calculation. So your volume becomes v is equal to, take this 1 by 2 outside, r into r is r square, integration of r square into r is r cube integration is r raised to 4 by 4 from 0 to 2 d theta, and theta is going from 0 to 2 pi. Therefore the final value will become v is equal to 1 by 8 comes outside, 2 r is 2, so 2 raised to 4 integration 0 to 2 pi d theta is nothing but 2 raised to 4 is 16, or you can write this way also, integration of d theta is theta from 0 to 2 pi, so 2 cube get cancelled, and hence you get 2 into 2 pi, substituting the upper limit. So your final volume v is equal to 4 pi units. So that is your volume of that region which is being bounded by those curves which are given.